this is Mr. Gaming Master, and today I want to review to you the Smith & Wesson M3000 shotgun. Let's get straight into it. I bought this gun about 3 months ago from the Emporium in Rugby, and that's the gun at the moment. It's a pump action, but if you do hold down the trigger and just keep pumping, it's like a rapid fire. Safety there. Just there. Got the grip version, but you can buy it with the stock, but I prefer it like that. You can take this cap off just there, so you can clean the pump and lubricate whatnot. And everything's ABS plastic on this gun. It's got 325 FPS. It's a 325, and I'll probably do a shooting test after this. And comes with a magazine. Hold about 19 rounds. Show you how to fill that up later. And the range is probably about 40-50 meters. Yeah, probably about 40-50. What else? Pretty good weight to it. It's pretty strong as well, even though it's made out of plastic. I've had this for a bit, it's still pretty strong. It's got 3 rails, one for like a scope, laser, and other side put a torch. You can probably get £30-40 from any good airsoft shop. I'll put a link in the description from where to buy it from. There's the gun. I'll do a shooting test after this. Rate, comment, subscribe. Thanks.